how to not get the message from the people that don't follow you and you not follow on the Instagram. So to do that, what you can simply do is, first of all, launch the Google Play Store and install the latest version of Instagram so that you won't miss out any new features. Or also you can go to your preferred browser and log in to your Instagram account. After that, tap on the gear option, which is the option of settings and privacy. And after that, just scroll down and down. Either on app or your Chrome, you will see the option of notification right there. Tap on push notification option and then you will see many options right here. Scroll down up until you see the option of message request, group request. Just turn it off and turn the message request also off, and also other request off. Turn the suggestions, account suggestion request also off, and turn every request off by reading the informations right here. After turning it off, the new followers or the people that do not follow you won't be able to message you or add you to any unknown group that you're not aware about. And also go back and scroll down and tap on messages and story reply. After you do this, you can simply tap on message controls and then you can simply tap on don't receive the request. When you tap on don't receive the request, you won't get any more requests and the people cannot message you. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.